Immerse yourself in a symphony of sound with the MPS 1652TY. A pair of meticulously engineered 6.5 inches Toyota plug-and-play two-way coaxial speakers tailored for specific Toyota car models. These speakers are artfully crafted using cutting-edge polypropylene cone materials. Harnessing a formidable maximum power output of 130 watts, they stand poised to unleash a commanding auditory performance. Their sleek 48.5mm mounting depth not only ensures effortless installation but also guarantees a seamless and integrated look. For a comprehensive grasp of the speaker's capabilities and intricate installation details, delve into the user manual. Prepare for an audio metamorphosis that promises an immersive and captivating sonic journey. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more videos.